Hello po, ask ko lang po if na-off ba yung LDW or Lane Departure Warning ni Toyota Veloz. If yes, paano po? Thank you po. Sige, Jokes00, shoutout sa'yo. Sagutin natin. So actually guys, I'm glad you asked because during the first few weeks of driving this Toyota Veloz, one thing that I've noticed or mapapansin mo talaga pag nagda-drive, lalong-lalo na pag highway. I showed you that on the previous video na nagsistiffen siya, 'di ba? Parang tinutulungan ka niyang magstay sa lane mo. So it helps you keep on that particular lane. Now, there are instances, lalong-lalo na pag bumabiyahe tayo sa mga probinsya, ganon, napapansin ko na pinipigilan niya talaga. And then, when we're trying to parang umiiwas tayo dun sa mga nakapark na mga e-bike, parang iniiwasan natin yon. But the lane departure warning prohibits us or kind of stops us from doing that. And pag pinipilit mong i-swerve yung sasakyan para umiwas dun sa mga motor, yun, talagang tumutunog siya or nagno-notify siya, which is kinda annoying. So that is why ito nga si Jokes is tinatanong niya paano yun i-turn off. So right now, if you can see right here, it says parang meron siyang symbol dyan na off. Yan, okay? As you can see. So how to enable that? Dito lang yan guys, dito sa lower left. Yan, long press nyo tong button na to. Ayun, so may tunog. So wala na siya ngayon. Naka-default kasi kay Veloz is naka-turn on talaga yun because safety feature yun ni Veloz V, Safety Sense. So ngayon, yan, wala na siya. Before I learned this, yun, medyo na-annoy talaga ako. And now, it's been a couple of months na turn off lang yan sa atin. Ayan, okay? So yan, as you can see, just keep on long pressing this button and then until sa makaabot kayo dyan na yung symbol na yan na yung lalabas and then meaning naka-off na yung lane departure warning natin. So no more annoyance. You can now freely swerve your car away, but you can keep that on in case you're driving sa mga long ride na alam mo sobrang clear lang ng mga daanan. So yan, I made a video about the Toyota Veloz and all of its features and all of the good and the not so good things about this. Go ahead and check it out on my YouTube channel. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.